All right, greetings punters, Ben here again, and you are watching Grail Punt 483, which is Kevin's New Mutants 98. All right, we are going live, and we have, oh sorry, forgot to do the time. All right, it is 10:40 a.m. and the current local time is 10:40 a.m. Let's see how many spots we have. All right, exactly 100. Alrighty, we have 100 spots. We have Dak in number 1 and Tim in 100. Alrighty, Dak in number 1. Just looking for spots, blanks, anything else. Alright, Tim in 100. 3 dice roll. 2 and 5 is 7 and 2 is 9, and 2 and 5 is 7 and 2 is 9. Alrighty, we are going to do 9 rolls. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we have 7 rolls from 9. 2 and 5, 7, 2 is 9. We have 2 to go. Penultimate. Alrighty, that was 8 times, so the next one is for the win. Good luck, everybody. Oh, might not have been fast enough there. Sorry to ruin it. Alrighty, so for Kevin's New Mutants 98, your winner is Rishi. There you go, first and second. Wow, making that pretty definitive. Rishi, get in contact with Kevin to claim your prize. Well done. And we are done. All right, thanks for joining us. Catch you next time.